Welcome to Nagaoka City in Niigata Prefecture, Japan. Tonight, we are here to experience one of Japan's most spectacular fireworks displays, the Nagaoka Fireworks Festival. Held along the Shinano River, Nagaoka's night sky is transformed into a breathtaking display of color, light, and sound. But this is more than just a fireworks festival. So, let's enjoy the incredible Nagaoka fireworks together. Every summer, people travel from all over Japan and increasingly from around the world to experience this incredible celebration of light, sound, history, and hope. Nagaoka Fireworks is often considered one of Japan's three major fireworks festivals. But what makes it truly special is not simply the enormous size of the fireworks. Behind these beautiful lights is a story of tragedy, recovery, remembrance, and peace. Nagaoka is located in the heart of Niigata Prefecture, along the Shinano River, Japan's longest river. Today, Nagaoka is a peaceful and welcoming city. But its history includes some very difficult moments. On August 1, 1945, during the final days of World War II, Nagaoka was devastated by a major air raid. Much of the city was destroyed, and many people lost their lives. According to the official history of the Nagaoka Festival, 1,489 people were killed and around 80% of the city's urban area was destroyed. The people of Nagaoka were left with the enormous task of rebuilding their city and their lives. But they did not give up. Just 1 year after the war, in 1946, the Nagaoka Reconstruction Festival was held. The festival was a way to remember those who had lost their lives, encourage the people of Nagaoka, and express hope for a peaceful future. From this beginning, the fireworks tradition continued and gradually developed into the magnificent Nagaoka Fireworks Festival we see today. So, when you look at these fireworks, you are not simply watching a summer entertainment event. You are watching a tradition that grew from the determination of a community to rise again after tragedy. And Nagaoka faced another great challenge many years later. On October 23, 2004, the Niigata Chuetsu Earthquake struck the region. The earthquake caused enormous damage, forcing many people from their homes and severely affecting communities throughout the Chuetsu area. Once again, Nagaoka had to rebuild. And once again, people came together. Support came from throughout Japan, and the long process of recovery began. The experience gave Nagaoka fireworks an even deeper meaning. The fireworks became a symbol of recovery, gratitude, and hope. And that meaning can be seen most dramatically in one of the festival's most famous displays. The Phoenix Fireworks. The Phoenix Fireworks were first presented in 2005, following the Chuetsu earthquake. The phoenix is a mythical bird that rises again after being destroyed. It represents rebirth. It represents recovery. And it represents the strength to overcome hardship. Now look at the sky. The fireworks spread across the enormous width of the Shinano River. One after another, brilliant colors fill the darkness. Gold, silver, red, blue, and brilliant white. The scale is incredible. The sound reaches across the river. And for a few moments, the entire sky seems to become one enormous canvas of light. This is the moment when you understand why people come here from so far away. Some visitors travel for hours by train or car. Some come from distant parts of Japan. And international visitors are also discovering the beauty and meaning of Nagaoka fireworks. For many people, seeing a spectacular Japanese fireworks display is already a dream. But experiencing Nagaoka fireworks is something different. Here, the beauty of the fireworks is connected with a powerful story. A story of a city that experienced destruction during war. A city that suffered again through a devastating earthquake. And a community that continued to rebuild, recover, and look toward the future. That is what makes these fireworks so beautiful. Not only the colors, not only the size, but the meaning behind them. As the fireworks rise into the night sky, thousands of people watch together. Families, friends, couples, children, and visitors from different countries and cultures. For a few moments, everyone is looking in the same direction. Everyone is sharing the same experience. And perhaps that is one of the most beautiful things about fireworks. They last only a few seconds, but the memory can last a lifetime. Look at these enormous fireworks filling the sky. Every explosion is different. Some spread like giant flowers. Some rise high above the river before exploding into thousands of sparkling lights. Others seem to cover the entire horizon. And then come the moments that everyone has been waiting for. The music, the enormous bursts of light, the sound echoing across the river, and the phoenix rising across the night sky. The Nagaoka Fireworks Festival takes place every year in early August along the Shinano River. For visitors, planning ahead is very important. The official viewing areas are ticketed and seats should be arranged in advance. There are viewing areas on both sides of the river, including the area near Nagaoka Station and the area on the Nagaoka interchange side. If you are coming by train, Nagaoka Station is the main access point for the station side viewing area. But remember, this is an extremely popular event. Large crowds gather before the fireworks begin, and transportation and bridges around the venue can be affected by special traffic restrictions. So, choosing your viewing area before you arrive is very important. For anyone planning a visit, checking the official Nagaoka fireworks information in advance is highly recommended. But once you have found your seat, there is nothing left to do but look up and enjoy. It is easy to understand why Nagaoka Fireworks has become a destination that many people want to experience at least once in their lifetime. For some, it is about the spectacular fireworks. For others, it is about the history. For others, it is about sharing an unforgettable summer night with family and friends. And for many people in Nagaoka, it is also a moment of remembrance and gratitude. The fireworks remind us that even after terrible tragedy, people can rebuild. Even after loss, there can be hope. And even after the darkest night, there can be light. So, as you watch these final fireworks illuminate the sky over Nagaoka, remember the story behind them. Remember the people who suffered. Remember the people who rebuilt. And remember the message that Nagaoka continues to share with the world. Peace, recovery, hope, and the strength to rise again. This is Nagaoka Fireworks, a spectacular night of light over the Shinano River, and a beautiful symbol of the human spirit. If you ever visit Japan during the summer, consider traveling beyond the famous destinations of Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. Come to Niigata. Come to Nagaoka. Find a place beside the Shinano River. Look up at the summer sky and experience these incredible fireworks for yourself. Because once you see Nagaoka Fireworks, it is a sight you will never forget. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this spectacular journey through Nagaoka Fireworks, please like this video and subscribe to be on Tokyo Niigata Life for more beautiful places, festivals, food, and experiences from Niigata and Japan. See you in the next adventure.